Imagine a future where clean energy storage is not just an option, but a necessity for powering cities, industries, and entire nations. Tesla is making that vision a reality with its Shanghai Megapack Factory, a groundbreaking facility designed to revolutionize large-scale battery production. This isn't just another factory. It's a critical piece of Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. But what makes this facility so special, and how will it impact the global energy landscape? Let's dive in. Welcome to Tesla Universe, your go-to channel for Tesla's latest innovations and cutting-edge technology. If you're passionate about the future of energy and transportation, make sure to subscribe and stay ahead of the curve. The Shanghai Megapack Factory is Tesla's first dedicated Megapack manufacturing plant outside the United States. Located in China, a global leader in battery production and renewable energy expansion, this factory is set to dramatically increase the supply of Tesla's Megapack energy storage systems. Megapacks are massive lithium-ion battery units designed to store renewable energy, stabilize power grids, and replace polluting fossil fuel power plants. With the demand for large-scale energy storage skyrocketing, Tesla's expansion into China is a game-changer. One of the most impressive aspects of this factory is its production capacity. Tesla plans to manufacture 1,000 Megapack units per year, which translates to about 40 GG of energy storage capacity annually. That's enough to power millions of homes and support entire energy grids. With the Shanghai facility, Tesla is not only scaling up production, but also cutting costs, making large-scale battery storage more affordable and accessible worldwide. The Megapack itself is Tesla's most advanced energy storage solution. Each unit is a self-contained battery system with inverters, thermal management, and software integrated into a single package. Unlike traditional power plants, Megapacks can be installed in weeks instead of years, require minimal maintenance, and can be remotely controlled through Tesla's AI power-powered software. This makes them ideal for balancing renewable energy sources like solar and wind, ensuring a stable power supply even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Tesla's Shanghai Megapack Factory is strategically located to leverage China's advanced battery supply chain. This allows Tesla to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and accelerate deployment. Additionally, having a factory in China enables Tesla to better serve the Asian and global markets, reducing reliance on its California-based Megapack facility and strengthening its position as a leader in energy storage. One of the key advantages of the Megapack is its role in grid stabilization and energy independence. As more countries push toward renewable energy adoption, traditional grids struggle with intermittent energy production. Megapacks store excess renewable energy during peak production and release it when demand is high, preventing blackouts and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. This is already happening in places like California, Australia, and the UK, where Tesla's energy storage solutions are helping power cities with clean, reliable electricity. But why is Tesla focusing so much on energy storage? The answer is simple. Battery technology is the key to a sustainable future. While Tesla is famous for its electric vehicles, energy storage is just as crucial for reducing global carbon emissions. By building the Shanghai Megapack Factory, Tesla is taking a massive step toward making clean energy storage more scalable, cost-effective, and widespread. Despite the excitement, challenges remain. Raw materials supply, regulatory approvals, and competition from other battery manufacturers are hurdles Tesla will have to navigate. However, with its experience in gigafactories, AI-driven energy management, and rapid innovation, Tesla is well positioned to lead the global transition to renewable energy. The Shanghai Megapack Factory represents more than just a new manufacturing plant. It's a blueprint for the future of sustainable energy. With faster production, lower costs, and global scalability, this facility could help reshape the world's energy infrastructure. So, what do you think? Will Tesla's Megapack expansion be the key to a greener future? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's latest energy innovation, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tesla Universe for more updates. The future of clean energy is just getting started.